In this video, we're visiting Zilker Botanical Garden in Austin, Texas as a social distancing vacation idea because gardens are everywhere. If there's a botanical garden by my hometown, which isn't the Austin Botanical Garden, then there's probably one by your hometown too. This was part of a road trip I did during my internship after my junior year with some of my intern friends. We're at the Botanical Gardens and it's $2 per person, but they only take cash, so make sure you bring cash if you go here. We were like scrambling for nothing and then we barely had anything, so we got lucky. Fairy trail. Fairy food court.
Oh wait, look! I think it's actually made by like kids.
By the blah blah family.
Oh, that's cute. Banana peel. Oh, this is a sea. Oh, that's a cute sea. But like, you look like you have wings. Follow me on Instagram to see how these pictures turned out. Fancy flowers.
So you haven't been here, Nancy?
No. I think I've heard of it. She had asked me if I'd been to these gardens before because at the time I was living and going to school in Austin, partly how we could afford to stay since most of us were sleeping in my apartment. And that's just one way you can travel and afford to travel in college, but I have a video with way more linked below. This is so cute. I feel like I'm in like a princess's courtyard. Oh, the little like gazebo looking thing. And that actual gazebo. Okay, maybe that's just an archway, I guess. Aww. Really being a model. Oh my gosh. Wow. The scenery. Wow. Whoa, so many like stairs. I think this is starting the Japanese garden part. Going into the gazebo. Wow, they're so big! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Those are so big. There's been hummingbirds. The red things are hummingbirds. This is a cute bridge. There's a...
Secret path with these people.
I don't know. Lily pads. The waterfall. Do you think it's up here? Wow, so cute.
You a fan?
Waterfall, the waterfall. Oh my gosh, the hummingbird. What? Oh, I was trying to get the hummingbird. That was so cool. It like flew in its spot for like 2-3 seconds. I must find it. It's such a cute pathway. That's where we were at. Ah! It is so hot. I know we watched some waves, but I'm probably done taking pictures. But I brought my fan. Like, I kind of recommend y'all bring for hot trips. So that's helping. I didn't bring my cloth. Potted plants. We're gonna meet our friends here because that's where we said we were at. So all these plants are in some pot. Austin, yeah, it's so hot. Yeah, Austin is a very hipster, unique place to be. So I think that's why the Botanical Garden has all this random stuff, like the fairy courtyard and stuff like that. Austin was part of the inspiration for this shirt because you see cuss words everywhere there. There's the cactuses that Sophia really wanted to see. Does it look like it's dancing? Queen Victoria agave. Oh, they could name it. That's cool. So that is an Argentine Seguro. Maybe. That's cool. That's cool. Nice. Cool.
Oh, that's an agave.
Okay, apparently it's pronounced agave. I pronounced it agave. That's the entrance. So we're getting back to the front. Yay! The Zilker Botanical Garden plans to open late this month, September 2020, hopefully with some safety measures so you can enjoy the nature. It'll be less hot, and you're gonna see the struggle we had with the Texas heat in the middle of the summer. So consider yourself lucky. Okay, I got really sweaty, and I don't have my rag that I recommended in my packing list video.
1 mile away.
If y'all watch that, you'll be more prepared than me. So I'm gonna dot myself with this clean pad I have in my purse because I don't have my rag.
Can you tell me what street it's on? Yeah, it's on,
We're dropping off Abby somewhere so her friend can pick her up nearby, but you have to pay to get in here.
Yeah,
so we're not gonna make her pay just to pick her up.
How do you get out of here?
It's a lot. Yeah, why? Why was Eric going there?
This air is amazing.
Things you have to do. Be resourceful. Ooh. After we drop Abby off, we're gonna go to South Congress, which is like short, nicknamed SoCo, and that's like all I've called it.
Oh, no left. We're gonna do
So it's really weird that I have to say South Congress sometimes, but I think they got it now.
What's going on there?
Told them.
You're so funny with the pad.
I know, this is so embarrassing, but it's fine. Embarrassment is a mindset.
What?
You only get embarrassed if you think you're embarrassed.
True. Okay, you're right. What do you
That's
think?
my
Should I
life's
do it or
philosophy.
not?
I think all those cars are just Zilker Park. A lot of dogs hang out there. Yeah. It has views of the city. Subscribe for some more social distancing activities, vacation ideas, and inspiration like I have here. And hit the bell for some more tips and ways to travel in college like I have down here.